What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. How do you organize your cords? Well, if you're like me, you may have multiple cords on your desk, particularly on my nightstand, which is really where I want to see if I can use these suckers. So I've got, cords to plug in my phone, my Apple Watch, my iPads, all that jazz, and you've got cords all over. And I picked up these things. They're little like silicone blocks. You can see they have a notch and a pass-through here, so you can put your cable in there, and it should keep it from coming out as well as kind of being pulled through it. So I've got a standard micro USB cable here. This has a really thin cable on it. You can see I can just kind of press it in. If I need to, I can pull it apart, and that won't let that sucker slide through. Here is a USB-C type of plug. And again, I can press that in there. Obviously, much too big to fall through. And then even a lightning cable here with the braided cable, and no problem, plenty of room in the hole to slide around. And obviously won't pull through too, so it'll hold it. And then you can remove this double-sided foam cover here and just stick it to things, whether it's on your desk so you can pull it, on the side of your nightstand, maybe on the side of your center console in your car so you have cables. And the nice thing about this is because there's plenty of space on that cable, you can pull it and plug it in and then kind of just pull it back down, or if it's on the side, it'll kind of fall back into place. But obviously they will flow really, really nicely. Even this USB-C cable, which is very big, has quite a bit of room on there. So just wanted to show you these. This comes in a 3-pack. Each of these has 3 holes in it, so you can connect up to 3 cables on it, but you can get these in longer connections too, so with more holes or receptacles in it as well. So just wanted to check this out. I'm pretty excited. This looks like it should work, and it's black. It blends in with a lot of stuff. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to pick it up. Peter Von Panda out.